Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to connect to EA servers error in Skate. So let's get started. First option or method you can try is you can always try to uninstall the game and reinstall it. Normally that fixes the issue. But if it still persists for you, here's what you can do. First, you want to open your task manager, and once it's open, you want to locate and go to the services tab right over here. Then from the list, you want to scroll down until you find the EA services or EA background service right here. So what you want to do is you want to right click this and click restart. Now, what happens is this refreshes your EA background services, and in most cases, this fixes the connection issue that stops Skate from connecting to EA services. After restarting, go ahead and launch your game again to see if the error is gone, and normally that fixes the issue. Basically, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!